Hello again. Now let's start connecting your store with Convertedin and start your automation journey. We have to do two things. First part is connecting your store. And this, you have to specify what kind of content management system, CMS, you're using. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or any other CMS that you're currently using. And the second part is connecting your social media and search engine to start the engagement process through these channels. Let's see first how to connect your store with your e-commerce infrastructure. In the first step, you head to Convertedin website and then navigate to the documentation. And in this place, you'll be able to find your CMS or your store infrastructure. For example, if you hit Shopify, you'll be able to access how to get started. Basically, if you search for Shopify in the App Store for Convertedin, you'll be able to find the page or the application to install. Once it's installed, you'll be able to see it in your Convertedin dashboard and in your Shopify applications. Second thing is WooCommerce. If you go for the App Store for the WordPress and hit Convertedin, you'll be able to find the application. Similar to Shopify, once you download it, you'll be able to see it in the applications. And it will be connected through your dashboard. Convertedin provides plug-and-play integration with most of these standard CMSs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, OpenCart. However, if you're a custom-made application, you can still integrate your infrastructure with Convertedin through an API integration. The full documentation for the API is in the website documentation section. Now the second part. Let's see how we can connect the social media. When we navigate through the settings, social connections, you'll be able to specify which social connections you'd like to connect Convertedin to. Once you hit connect, Convertedin will be connected to your ads manager, whether it's in Meta, Google, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, or X. As you've seen, it's very simple to connect your infrastructure and your social channels and search engine with very simple clicks. This will prepare you to be ready for your automation and the engagement. Once you integrate Convertedin with your infrastructure and social media and search engine, all the data will be unified, all the audiences will be imported, and the engine will automatically start the segmentation to start to see your data in a meaningful way, as we will see in the next module. Now we're ready to start the automation process for your store through Convertedin.